How to change your Yahoo Mail password on iPhone. Follow this simple step using Yahoo Mail app on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open your Yahoo Mail application. From the inbox interface, tap onto the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. In the accounts pop-up, you have to select Manage Accounts. Then select your email address which you want to change the password of. In your account section, you have to tap on Security. Access your Touch ID. Select Change Password. Type in your new password and hit Continue. Then Yahoo will confirm your password change. Sign back into Yahoo Mail and all your devices using the new password. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Yahoo Mail password.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.